Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to explain how to use GoHighLevel for real estate. Now this tool will help you manage your leads, nurture your prospects, and grow your business. It's great for real estate agents or even investors who want to make client management easier. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. Now normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, when you log into your GoHighLevel account, the first thing you need to do is switch to the right sub-account. If you're managing different niches or client portfolios, sub-accounts help keep everything organized. They make it easy to focus on the details of each market. For this example, we're setting up a sub-account just for real estate. So to get started, click on the sub-accounts tab in the menu on the left. Now, this is where you'll see all of the sub-accounts that you've already set up. To add a new one, simply click on the Create Sub-Account button in the top right corner. Next, a pop-up window will appear with two options. You can either start from scratch by selecting the blank snapshot option, or you can use a pre-built template. If you want a template, just use the search bar or scroll through the categories to find one that works for you. Since we're setting up a sub-account for real estate, we'll look for the real estate template. So let's search for it. There's only one option available for real estate, and it's called the real estate agent. Hover over it and two options will pop up. Click on Setup Guide if you want to see the steps for creating a snapshot. But for this demo, we'll go with the Select and Continue button. On the next page, click the Continue again to keep moving. Now you're going to see a map, and here you can either find an existing real estate business or you can add the business details yourself if it's not already there. If the business isn't listed, just hit Add Manually and fill in the required fields. For this demo, let's say we're working with a real estate firm called Ezra Realty. Search for it on the map, and when you see it, click on its details below the map. Next, you'll need to add some basic details about the business. Now, this includes the business owner's first name, last name, email, business name, and niche. But don't worry, some of the fields like the phone number, address, or website might already be filled in if they're found on the map. Just go ahead and fill in anything else that's missing. When you're done, click the Add Sub-Account. GoHighLevel will take a few moments to process everything, and once it's all set up, your new sub-account will be ready to use for your real estate business. Now that you've set up your real estate sub-account, it's time to dive into all the features that GoHighLevel has to offer. So one of the best tools is the website section, where you can build and you can customize your real estate website. GoHighLevel makes this easy with a powerful site builder and a variety of pre-made templates for different needs. So as soon as you switch to your real estate account, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your dashboard. Just click on the sites, then head over to the website section. It's super straightforward. So from there, if you click the New Website button, you'll get to pick from a bunch of real estate templates. Now, these templates are designed to help you stand out. They're perfect for showing off listings, collecting leads, and building a strong online presence. For example, if you search for real estate agents template and then click on it, it will open in the editor. And in the editor, you can change images, edit text, and customize the layout to match your branding. If you have a graphic designer on your team, you can work together to make the designs even better. The key here is to make sure that your website looks great and works well. It should show your listings clearly, have your contact details easy to find, and include any actions that you want visitors to take, like booking a viewing or contacting you. Furthermore, another best feature of GoHighLevel is its automation. It's great for keeping in touch with your real estate leads, and once your website is ready, go to the automations section, and this is where you can create workflows to follow up with leads. For example, you can set up a new lead nurture workflow. It can send a series of personalized emails and text messages to prospects as soon as they fill out a contact form on your website. It's simple and it saves tons of time. Additionally, the opportunity section in GoHighLevel is a great tool for real estate professionals. Now, this helps you keep track of every lead as they move through the sales funnel. So once your automations are set up, head over to the Opportunities tab. And here you can find pipelines that show you exactly where your leads are in the process. Usually there are two pipelines, one for managing new leads and another for leads that are ready to convert. It's simple and makes everything easier to manage. Now, when you add a new opportunity, you can fill in the important details like the lead's name, email, phone number, and notes about what they're looking for in a property. For example, if you're working with a buyer, you might write down their preferred location, budget, and specific needs. There's even a feature to add custom fields so that you can collect extra details like scheduling information or a property rating. Once a lead is added, you can move them through different stages in your pipeline. For example, you can go from new lead to hot lead, etc., etc. Now, this setup gives you a clear view of your sales progress. Next up, let's talk about the contacts section. Now, this is where all of your leads and clients are stored, so it's a really important part of your CRM system. If you already have a list of contacts in an Excel file, you can import them straight into GoHighLevel. It's super easy. Just drag and drop your file into the contacts area. Then you'll match the fields like name, phone number, email, and any extra details that you want to add, any extra details that you want to keep. Once that's done, all of your contacts are neatly organized, so you can quickly search, filter, or update them whenever you need. This centralized database makes sure that you always have the latest info about your prospects and your clients. Moreover, communication is super important in real estate, and GoHighLevel makes it simple with its conversations feature. This tool lets you handle all messages in one place. You can send SMS, emails, or even make voice calls all from a single dashboard. Everything is in one spot, so it's super easy to keep track of what's going on. For example, if someone fills out your website's contact form and sends you an SMS, you can reply right away using the Conversations tool. Now, this setup makes sure that you never miss a message and keeps your interactions quick and professional. In addition, when you link an SMS-enabled phone number to your account, you can set up automations to send pre-written messages, reminders, or follow-ups based on certain triggers. Now, these automated texts make you look more professional and save you time. You won't have to spend as much time on manual follow-ups, which lets you focus on the more important tasks. On top of these main features, GoHighLevel lets you connect other tools that make your real estate business even better. For example, you can link your email platform to send out targeted campaigns. You can also connect your social media accounts to grow your online presence. Suppose you're trying to attract new home buyers. First, you can run a social media ad to grab their attention. Then you can send them to a landing page on your website where they can learn more. After that, follow up with a personalized email drip campaign. With GoHighLevel, all of these steps work together smoothly. All of this creates a simple, seamless experience for your clients, from the moment they see your ad to the point where they trust you and become loyal. Now, this approach not only saves you time, but it also keeps your brand consistent. It helps build your credibility in the competitive real estate market. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you found this video helpful on how you can use GoHighLevel to manage your real estate business. If you want to try GoHighLevel, be sure to click the link in the description below. And if you use my affiliate link, you're going to get that 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about setting up and launching your business successfully within those 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.